Hey foodies, I have three smoothie recipes for you today that you can make for either breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So this first smoothie is made up of spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, protein powder, chia seeds, and almond milk. So I'll be going through each ingredient for you just to tell you how much of each I use. You can always pre-prep this or freeze these beforehand, but I have the fresh ingredients, so I'm going to use them. First things first, a half cup of Greek yogurt, and this is unsweetened Greek yogurt. One ripe banana, you can use frozen banana. 1 cup of spinach. These are nicely washed and the little stems are still on. Next, I'm going in with 1 scoop of plant protein powder. Use the protein powder of your choice. Next, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, followed by some oat milk. I'm using just one little bottle, which is 250 mls. You can use the milk of your choice, but I do not like dairy. Here I'm just blending this up in my NutriBullet, pouring this out. This is nice and creamy, and this serves 2 persons, 2 people. Nice and creamy, really good for even breakfast, lunch, or dinner too. The next smoothie is sort of like a tropical one. The ingredients are mango, pineapple, banana, Greek yogurt, honey, almond milk, and hemp seed. So first I'm going in with a cup of mango. You can use frozen mango if that's what you have. I just had the fresh one, so I used it. Once that's all in, I'm going to go in with a half cup of pineapple chunks. And you can use frozen pineapple as well. Once my pineapple is in, I'm going to go in with 1 banana. You can use fresh or you can use everything frozen, actually. Next, I'm going in with a half cup of Greek yogurt, unsweetened Greek yogurt that is. And then a tablespoon of hemp seeds. And for a little extra sweetness, a tablespoon of honey. And for that tropical vibe, I'm going in with a cup of coconut water. Unfortunately, I do not have fresh coconut water. I just have the store-bought one. Blend this all up, and trust me, this was so good. And all these smoothies recipes can serve 2 people, 2 to 3 persons actually. And look at this, guys. It is so nice. It reminds me of pina colada. It is just so good. This one, really good. I would have this for lunch, just for lunch. But you can also have this for dinner. But due to the taste of, you know, how nice and tropical it's like, I would just have it for dinner, but for lunch. But you can have it for dinner too. The next smoothie is this thick green one as well. This was so good. This is definitely giving lunch or dinner vibe. The ingredients: spinach, avocado, banana, lemon, almond milk. So let's go in with a cup of spinach. Press that down, ensure that everything goes in the blender at once. Next, I'm going in with 1 banana, and if you don't have like a NutriBullet, you can always use a big blender. Then I love avocado so much, but I never drank it before. I never used it in a smoothie, to be honest. So I'm going in with 1 small avocado. Then a half of a lemon. I'll squeeze half of a lemon juice. Then 1 cup of almond milk. You can use the milk of your choice, but I'm not with the dairy right now. Then blend everything together, and this will be a creamy smoothie. Definitely good for lunch or dinner. Very creamy and nice and rich. I never really thought I never gave any thought into, you know, drinking my avocado, but it was totally worth it. So creamy. And remember, you can add ice to all 3 smoothies. So that's it, guys, for my 3 healthy smoothie recipes. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on so you can see this and other recipes when I drop them. Until next video.